video, we are going to learn about median of an ungrouped data using two methods, that is the common method and the frequency distribution method. Median is the middle value when the given data is listed in the order of magnitude. If the number of items is even, then the average of the middle values is used to get the median. The following are the masses of the first 10 biggest eggs in grams obtained from Chiwoka's poultry farm: 70, 70, 59, 64, 83, 59, 74, 66, 60, and 62. In part A, we are going to find median for even data using the common method. Arrange the data in either ascending or descending order. Cross out the numbers from either sides respectively. Find the average of the two numbers that remain. Therefore, median is equal to 66 plus 64 divided by 2, which gives us 130 divided by 2, and this gives us 65 grams as our median. In part B, we are going to find median of an ungrouped even data using the frequency distribution table method, also known as the tally chart. Draw a table and label the columns clearly. For example, our question is about mass in grams, tally, frequency, and cumulative frequency. Enter the data, in this case mass, in either ascending or descending order without repetition. Show each occurrence of a given mass by a tally mark. Count the tally marks to fill in the frequency column. Sum up the frequency values to get the total frequency. Remember to use the summation symbol. Find the cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency is used to determine the number of observations that lie above or below a particular value in a data set. Cumulative frequency is calculated by adding each frequency from a frequency distribution table to the sum of its predecessors. The last value will always be equal to the total for all observations, since all frequencies will already have been added to the previous total. So, in this case, to get the cumulative frequency, we start with 2 as the first cumulative frequency value obtained from the first frequency. Then to get the second cumulative frequency, we say 2 plus the second frequency. That is 2 plus 1, which gives us 3. So the process is repeated up to the last value. So the next value is obtained by saying 3 plus 1, that is a third frequency value, which gives us 4. Then we say 4 plus 1, which gives us 5. Then 5 plus 1, which gives us 6. Then 6 plus 2, which gives us 8. 8 plus 1, which gives us 9. 9 plus 1, which gives us 10. Always, this last value of the cumulative frequency is the same as the total frequency. Position of the median will be given by n plus 1 divided by 2. N is the total number of observations or the total frequency. So we have 10 plus 1 divided by 2, which gives us 11 divided by 2. And this gives us the 5.5th position. When you go back to the cumulative frequency, 5.5 lies between 5 and 6. So this implies our median is between the 5th and the 6th position. And therefore, this implies there are 2 values in the middle. So we take the average of the 2 values, which gives us 66 plus 64 divided by 2. This gives us 130 divided by 2, which gives us 65 grams.